Ms. McLean, coming back in.
I'm
All
here,
right.
Judge.
All right, are we ready for sentencing on today's file?
Yes, sir.
Judge.
Okay, so I'm going to delay sentence for 12 months, which means no further problems today, from today forward. I'm also specifically ordering no contact with your grandmother. Am I pronouncing your last name correctly? Ivy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so no contact, no phone calls, no social media contact, no emails, none of that stuff. No contact.
Yes,
Understood?
sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right. Court costs are assessed in the amount of $300. Can you pay that online today or do you need some time?
You want me to pay $300 for restitution?
Not restitution, court costs.
No, not today. We'll do a
Tell me how
payment
much time you
plan.
need.
I just paid $1,000 for restitution, so give me a minute. I do have to pay rent and utilities here in
Within
Texas.
30 days?
Give me 60. It'll be paid in full though.
Thank you,
All right.
Judge. Thank you.
So we're not going to send you anything on that. I'm just telling you, you owe $300. I'm giving you 60 days to take care of it.
That's a fair deal. Thank you, Your
Okay,
Honor.
so you don't get any reminders from us.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
That takes care of it, Mr. Graziani?
Yes, Judge. Thank you so much.
No, I
Thank you
know.
very much.
She's paid like $550. The first time, just like she said, I paid $50 for the
Right.
They didn't remove no warrants.
Okay.
She's paid a $200 payment in March, and then she made the $300 payment.
Who's working the cash register today, do you know?
Don't even know.
I saw Grace Carol up there.
Why don't you have Jamie walk that file down and hand it to cashier and say Heather's got it online, that she's paid $550, even though that paperwork doesn't reflect it. What do you got?
Just adjourn, two little draft sheets.
Did you?
Yeah,
this-
she said right there.
How about Jeremy? I already.
How are you? Good. How's business?
I'm real slow, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Kids are old.
Yeah, you're at the point where slow's okay. Yeah. Yeah.
I
Yeah, just enough to keep your mind sharp.
want to, I don't plan to head, this way, but I never have,
Right.
and it's always worked out.
Right. You're not gonna change now. Yeah.
Until I have.
Yeah. Well, I was talking to a guy last week, and I said, I'm going to retire from this job, but I'm going to keep working. And that's the nice thing about that bar card, right? If you want to work 3 hours a week, you can find a job to work 3 hours a week. I'm just not wired that way to just stop, right? No, like I said, it give you a reason to get dressed in the morning, get out of the house, exercise your head a little bit. No, I think that's one of the greatest things about our profession is you can work as little as you want or as much as you want.
Guys, they focus on making it that big. I'm not one of them.
Yeah.
I want to enjoy the day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you want the 8:15 again for May?
Sure, but one day.
May
Judge, you're muted. I don't know if you can hear me.
I unmuted. Go ahead.
There was a,
Thank you.
January 12th hearing date, that was rescheduled. Ms. Rayburn did not appear at that hearing. The underlying citation, Your Honor, there was a pergola gazebo type structure that's in the pictures, I think it's sketch for motion, that was being constructed on her property. The building official in place of that work order on that, to get photos, of that, work order that's posted on the property. Those are the exhibit 3.
Excuse me, is that attached to the house? It looks like it's attached, but I can't tell.
It's just very close to the fence line. It's
Okay.
Structure is that the Indian Township's accessory structure ordinance provides that accessory structures like this have to be a certain distance.
Setbacks. Okay.
So that's why the stop work order is issued. And if you look at the photographs that we provided, that show a couple of different days that are outlined in the motion, the construction on the property continued.
Mhm.
And there wasn't contact from Mr. Johnson in terms of compliance. And then we'll continue work after the stop work order. And so based upon that and the default, we're asking the court for an order today to remove the structure from the property.
Okay. All right. Ma'am, you did not file a written response, correct? Okay, so I don't have to look for a document I haven't seen. Go ahead. This is your chance to respond to that motion.
So when we had received the ticket on our door for the stop work order, my husband had called down to the township office to speak with somebody. Called a couple times and we keep getting, the receptionist. I'm not really quite sure for any conversation. We could never get a hold of the ordinance officer. He explained to the woman on the phone that it's just a pergola, it's not a permanent structure, it's illegal. They said everything was fine, it's just a pergola, it's like the ones you buy from Costco or whatever. The only thing done after we received that was on the door was put a string of lights around the edge of it. Other than that, it has not been touched since.
Ms. Manarino.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that when part of the dispute between Ms. Brayburn's husband and the township was that they didn't believe that there was a building permit required. There's not a permit required, but you do have to still comply with the setbacks. The setback for that is 5 feet. If it's not a permanent structure, as she's saying, then I'm just not sure why we didn't put it back 5 feet or attend any of the court dates or do anything official, other than this alleged conversation where someone apparently told them it was fine. If it's not fine, I wouldn't be here.
Right.
If it was in compliance, we wouldn't have issued a citation, and go through all of this if it was in compliance. If it's simply not in compliance, and the structure does need to be removed.
Do you have anybody from the building department here today?
I don't.
Okay, so what I'm inclined to do is give 30 days to get it in compliance. If 30 days is enough time for them to set up some meeting with the building department to find out exactly what those options are to comply. So if they can move it, if the department's okay with them moving it, then they don't have to remove, tear it down. You understand that? So, what are the chances of you getting a hold of somebody so we can set up an appointment before she leaves today? Can you get a hold of somebody on the phone? All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to order compliance within 30 days. Compliance could be tear the whole doggone thing down, or it could mean move it to give them the setback requirements they're after. Understood? But I'm going to give you 30 days. If she comes back in here, or the two of you come back in here and say, all right, the first time we can get our schedule together is 3 weeks from now, then I'll give you more than 30 days. Understood? So let's find out how soon we can get that together, and we'll actually give a date for compliance. All right? So just go on out, get your calendar ready. All right? We'll come up with a date where you can get together with the building department or your husband or whoever has to get involved. You're welcome.
I'm going to bring in Clarence Allen in 1 second. I'm going to look him up. That was Mr. Bowditch's case that he's only an hour and a half late.
What do we do with it? Adjourn it?
No, we defaulted or warned
Oh.
because he wasn't here. So
Is that a misdemeanor?
It is.
Well, we
So
can.
tell him to sit on hold till Mr. Bowditch gets here and he can handle it.
That's what I would do, yeah.
Okay, thanks.
You got the file? I'll come get it.
I don't.
Go downstairs or is it out here?
I don't know what we did with it. You just called then I might have it actually. Yes.
I'll look on the desk out here, your desk.
Yes.
Yeah, it's right on top. I got it. I'll tell Jamie to let Jeff know that Alan showed up on Zoom. Hey, did Jeff Bowditch show up yet? Would you do me a favor? Tell him that his client, Alan, that was supposed to be on Zoom this morning, has finally showed up. So whenever Jeff wants to put him into the mix, we'll try to take care of him too, but Alan. Yep.
Hi, Mr. Allen. Dave, if you keep walking back here, I have the OM paperwork for you. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Mr. Allen,
Yes.
you're a little late. Do you have a camera?
Yeah, let me figure it out. All right, there we go.
All right. Let me see. You're at 9156 Walnut Street in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Yes.
Alrighty. We're waiting for your attorney was already on for over an hour and we let him go. So we're gonna see about trying to get him back on.
All
Alrighty.
right.
So just sit tight.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Mine is. Let me know if I'm gonna supposed to go back and talk, we'll come over.
What's the last name?
The Houston.
How old is this, Mr. Houston?
He is 17.
Oh,
If you're looking for Scott Carter, Mr. Greco has the file and he's coming out right now.
I'm
That's the one
Julian
you-
Houston?
No?
Sure. Yeah. Okay, very good. I don't see that.
I'll say Mr. Houston, who's on that juvenile dock.
Oh, okay.
For rape.
Okay,
So I don't get any information.
I don't have any information. That's why I'm having, I don't want to see how we.
And I can go talk with him. All right, I'd like to agree this young man.
Let me see if I can get the judge.
All right. He's done.
I have no idea. Those are not on down. Like, I don't see them, because they're cases, so yeah, like they're here. But the dad is here.
Maybe, if they just get for rain, just rain,
Yeah,
Senator, something everybody's ready.
okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Not be too rain.
Houston. Houston, we got a problem?
Yeah, you brought it. Some, juvenile individuals that are here just for rain.
No, they're not here just for Raymond.
They're here for rain.
Did you get the word that Alan finally showed up? He's on Zoom.
Yeah.
So whenever you can work him in. All right. So, yeah, I got Mr. Houston here with a reckless driving ticket.
Yeah. It's only listed as the arraignment. I haven't had a chance to read it.
That's all right.
I'm sure Mr. Clerk has the information.
You want the file?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Carter, I was thinking if they're juvenile arraignments, I could just get them in and get them out. Because Mr. Greco doesn't have any information yet.
Hold on, you know what Carter's charge is?
Carter's
just
was a
gave-
misdemeanor, and that's one that you gave to Dave. Dave
Okay,
has
yeah.
that file.
Mr. Greco's got that file, Jeff.
Okay,
I just gave him the Carter file.
I'll talk to them in a minute.
All right.
I just want to get Mr. Hughes time.
Go pre-try him. We're not just arraigning him. Today's the date to do something.
Okay.
Yeah, so talk to Mr. Greco about Mr. Hughes.
Let's go out for-
Did you get a date already? Awesome. Oh, can't beat that. 9 a.m. tomorrow, ma'am? All right, so the order will reflect that you've got 30 days to bring it into compliance, however you work that out with the township. All right? Also,
If you found this case as intense as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more
How
powerful
are you?
courtroom breakdowns.
good.